Hello and welcome to this episode of Creating with Howcraft. My name is Denise Yesbach-Moore with howcraftcollection.com. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create my autumn violets earrings. The tools and supplies you will need to create these earrings are chain nose pliers. I always have 2 on my bead board. Wire cutters, round nose pliers. You will need 10mm Czech glass bead, 8mm Czech glass bead, 6mm Czech glass bead, head pins, eye pins, and an ear wire. A complete list of the jewelry making supplies and beads along with printable PDF instructions can be found on howcraftcollection.com. Search Autumn Violets Earrings. We're going to start off by creating this bottom dangle. So we're going to pick up a head pin. We're going to grab our 10mm Czech glass fire polished bead. These particular beads come in a purple mix, so you need to go through and pick out all the beads you want to use before. And we're going to form a simple loop. We're just going to bend that wire down, come back in with our wire cutters, trim that end, grab our round nose pliers, and we are going to form a simple loop, and we are just going to roll the wire towards us, and we just form that simple loop. We're going to come back in, we're going to open the loop. This is how you open a loop. You never want to pull it apart. We're going to grab an eye pin, connect it, and close the loop. We are now going to come back in and we're going to create all of these simple loops to string on to our eye pin. I've already created 8 of them. As I said before, these beads come in a mix, so you need to pick out 10 of your favorite color and set them aside. And we're going to create 2 more to form 10 loops. So we're going to grab our 6mm Czech glass fire polish bead in the purple mix. We're going to bend that wire down. We're going to trim that little end. And now we're going to do our simple loop. And we are just rolling the wire towards us. So there's one. So let's grab the other one. We're going to string it, bend that wire down, come back in, trim that little end, and we have our round nose pliers, and we're just rolling the wire towards us. So you need to create 10 of these little dangles, 6mm Czech glass fire polish beads. Okay, now we're going to string all of our little dangles onto the eye pin. So we're just going to string those down. And this is the reason why I created the 10mm loop, because once you get all these little dangles on here, it's harder to connect this dangle on the bottom. So I suggest doing that step first. So we're just going to string all these little guys down. Okay. And then we're going to pick up another 6mm Czech glass bead. And we're going to slide that down, and it just kind of creates a little flower. And this is the tricky part, trying to get it as tight as you can. So you have to hold it about there and at the bottom. And then we're going to bend that wire down. Move our little dangles out of the way. We're going to come back in, trim that little end. And now once again, we are going to create our simple loop by rolling the wire towards us. We're now going to come back in and make this little connector right here. So we need to pick up an eye pin, and this is an 8mm Czech glass fire polish faceted bead, one of the purple mixes. We're just going to bend that wire down, trim that end. We're going to form our simple loop by rolling the wire towards us. My loop is just a tad off, so I just took my pliers and straightened it out. We're going to open that loop, connect it, close the loop, and the last thing we need to do is grab our ear wire. Ear wires are opened the same way. You just move it. We're going to attach it. And close the loop. And there you have it, how to create my Autumn Violets earrings. If you are watching on YouTube, please like and subscribe at Howcraft USA. Follow us on Instagram at Howcraft Collection Beads. Be sure to visit howcraftcollection.com for more inspirational DIY projects and for all your jewelry making needs. New beads are added weekly, and each week howcraftcollection.com features a fabulous new sale. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.